in YOUCANIC, we're going to go over how you would, say, get into your vehicle and how to, say, get a jump start and or check battery and see what, if you need a new battery at this time. All right? So, number one, so say your battery is dead. You need to be able to get into the vehicle if the door is locked to be able to pop the hood. And there's another video about how to pop your hood, right? So number one, you have this key, and it has a release button here. You just pull this tab, and then you pull out this metal key. Then you can take this metal key here, and you can put it in the driver's side door in the door lock, and you can unlock the door manually. And then you can be able to get in, pop the hood, and get in to get to here, this compartment here. So under this is the fuse box. We'll talk about that a little later. But here is your positive port to open up here, and a negative port. And you would have your other car, and then you would go ahead and take your jumper cables, you know, and make sure you put the negative on the negative post and the positive on the positive post, right? And hook it up like that, and then you've got the other ones are hooked to another battery or another car to be able to jump start it, right? And so you would give it some time to power up. If your battery's completely dead, you may want to definitely get it checked to see, or if you just let the lights on, you're definitely going to want to charge it to give 15 minutes before you start it so you don't wear out the alternator. But you would go ahead and check that, or this is how you would attach jumper cables and give yourself a jump start. Under here is your battery box, so if we need to get to replacing the battery. But this is where you're supposed to jump start your Mercedes GLA class. And so that is how you do a jump start with your Mercedes GLA class. Or you can hook a jump box if you have a jump box to these same ports. Make sure you do the positive to the red and your negative to the black. And that is how you would do a jump start on your GLA class Mercedes. Thanks for watching.